Hi, it's Mr. Raisky, and I want to go over our weekend homework with you. Just some more review of casting. Okay. On guess the output of casting, when I do it for you, you do a really good job as a class. You're ready to move on. But when I have you write the code that requires casting, we're having some difficulty still. And so that's what this homework was about. Rewrite the expressions with casting. So over here is 9, well, the example was 5 over 2. And then here is the example answer. Put double in front of 5 over 2. And so these guys will all, the first 4 you have to do looks just like this. So I'll just put it right here. Let's see. And then, so what I wanted was you to write double 9 over 4. Okay? And then, so all these had a double in front. Now we'll go over different ways to do it, but to follow with the answer, this is all I wanted from you. Okay? Casting. So cast the 1, and then cast the 5, and cast the 9. That's all you had to do. Okay? Let's see if I can change that back to normal style. Okay. So that's all you had to do. You could have casted the 4 instead of the 9, or the 2 instead of the 1, but this was what most students did. That's fantastic. Okay. Down below, y over x, we want to be 1.25. Y and x are both ints, so we're going to have to cast to fix it. So we can do double y over x. That's all I wanted you guys to do. That was it. Okay. Next one, a over 3. This one's a little more, this is different, right? A is a double. Divide that by 3, and you would get 3.33 usually. But what we want is 3. So we cast to an int in this one. And then a over 3. You got to cast the a to an int because the a is what the double is. So do that, and I think we have it. Y over z, you want to be 0.5. 5 over 10, but they're both ints, so one of these guys has to be a double. So double y over z. Okay, and then 4 plus 5 over z. Z is an int, so you got to cast something to a double. And there's, if you know what casting is, there's no real way to mess this one up. You can put the double any place you want to. What am I doing here? 4 plus 5. Okay. Almost done. Thanks for watching this. Y plus z over x. 15 over 4. Everything's an int. So y plus z over x. And then the last one, you want decimals there too. Double, again, you just double the numerator, the whole thing. Or you, yeah, it says to use casting, so that's the way you're supposed to do it. Okay, if you put, I was going to say, or you could put 3.0, but no, the directions said use casting, didn't they? Okay, 2 little methods down here. This was right off our last quiz, I believe, wasn't it? Friday's quiz. So return a plus b. Now here I am screwing it up, aren't I? Over 2. Well, that's not going to work. Order of operations say put a and b in parentheses. And then, let's see, it doesn't say what you have to do here. You got your choice. You can put a double out front, or a double in front of the 2, or double in front of the a, or just make the 2 a 2.0. Okay, or you could use casting. This one, I want the quotient of numerator and denominator with decimals. So double numerator divided by denominator. Okay. On Tuesday, I'll try and get around to the students who made more than one mistake on this and talk to them. Make sure they watch this video. Okay, again, hope this was short enough for you. Thanks so much for watching.